All right, I'm back with another credit tip. Now, this tip today I didn't plan to actually give, but something happened that triggered me to think about this. What's in this box? Now, over the years, I've been talking with clients in consultations, in master classes, workshops, speaking events, whatever the case may be, and they always ask the same thing: how can I get a black card? And the funny thing is, I just got my new Blackcard here in the mail. I love Blackcard because I've had it now about 6 years. And when I got the first Blackcard, it came with a set of cool little aviator glasses, right? These cool aviator glasses. And then when I got the second card, it came with a really nice high-end pen. So, but interestingly enough, this one just came with the black card in this really nice case and nice box. They actually call it the luxury card now. But anyway, how do you get a black card? That's what I've been asked over and over and over again. And I want to tell you some of the key points you need to focus on. All right, one, you need to have some history in the credit bureaus. They really like to see a lot of history, okay? Meaning, how long have you had your oldest account reporting? They also like to see that you have some other preferred credit cards already, okay? Also, they're very interested in knowing that you're not shopping for credit. So you can't have a lot of inquiries, okay? So this credit tip for the day is, I was declined twice for my black card with an 800 credit score. And I have been teaching this tip for some time, but when I was declined the first time for my black card, I didn't use my own tip. I had completely overlooked one of the tactics that I use, and that tactic is this: an invitation or a declination is only an invitation to renegotiation. Let's say it again. A declination is only an invitation to renegotiation. I had forgot when I got declined the first time to call in and ask why I was declined and ask that they reconsider my application and renegotiate the declination. Okay? So that's the tip of the day. Never take a declination as a final decision. Always call and renegotiate or ask that they reconsider your application. That's the tip.